So I was talking to a few of my donors them the other day, and them tell me if I do a video on this investment thing. I was sharing my views with them. You know, as a Jamaican, a lot of us as Caribbean people don't really know much about investment, and we don't know about building wealth for a generation with children, with grandchildren. We don't know. And sometimes if you know something, you can say something. I'm just sharing what I know and what I believe that can work and where I invest. Um, I invest in Marcus Bank, in a high yield savings account. I invest in that bank. Like I invest in Fidelity, in stocks and bonds, ETF funds. Yes. I need one toothpick. My ears are scratch me. Scratch me, see guys. Fidelity. And I buy a couple stocks. I can tell you them. I buy QQQ. I buy 10. We write them down. But if you don't want me share them, we don't know, just tell me. We can always do another video on it. But the reason for this video, because I was talking to a few of my donors them one day, and I was sharing with them I am doing, because if I'm not doing it, then I'm not gonna tell you. But you need an IL savings account, and just like how you can get up and pay your rent every single month, set up an IL savings account and put, I could have even $50 in there every month. No, that if you live here in the States, or you have access to these things, like you have a social security but you're in one different country and you earn money where you can save. These are things where a lot of us don't know. We don't educate ourselves on them something here. We get up every day and we live in at the moment, and we don't think about invest and what we can have to leave wealth for our family and for grow and not make them hungry or break generational curse, poverty and stuff like that. No, me not gonna tell you say me have. Me just a say me a try right now. But me want in the future me can able to have in a way to say, okay, me can leave this money for my children them. Me not have nothing from my mother, not even one cup. Me not want that to be the case with my children them. Me can say I make a big step comparing to my parents. Things where them need know for them generation, for them never educated towards nothing pertaining to goals, and for them dreams is not as big as ours, because as the day goes by my kids them dreams bigger than mine, so but I'm always willing to learn and to educate myself on things. So I that me and me donors them did I talk about what they are, me I tell them say me buy the 10 stocks in a Fidelity account, and I already have a Roth IRA, but me want to take out another one. You know what I mean? So it's good when you take out a Roth IRA and you can put that money in there. You have to be disciplined and you cannot touch that money. Just think about you giving your $1,500, your $2,000 a month for your rent, and you know you're not gonna ever get it back. This is a money where you will get back, but the goal is not to think about getting it back. It's to think about you saving it for the next 30 years. Of course, you can go before that, but don't think of it like that. And when you're doing it, I sit right here on my computer and I set it up myself, and I add my beneficiaries on my accounts. Okay, so you have your Roth IRA, you add your beneficiaries, you have your 401k. Make sure you have access to sign up. You sign up on my computer and me add my beneficiary then myself. Me go in on my account and me add my beneficiary. So sometimes when you see me quiet, me not post video, me there warm. Me I do my own research, me I do my own studies, me want to learn. And always I try to educate myself on things where me need to learn and just try to cut off some of the unnecessary things them were not important. Like this whole heap of drama and mix up. Like me want to able to can tell you know and educate yourself. A high yield savings account, trust me, if I even 20 year work, make a sacrifice. If you can't put $10 a week, you put 20. If you can't put $20 a week, you put $10 a week of salary in our high yield savings account. One, we can give you like a 4% and up interest rate per your money a month time that me look forward into. If you can't put, me just I say $10 a week, but if you know you can put 20 or 30 or 50 or 100, I'm just saying. But you better to start with something than start with nothing. At the end of the day, you know that this is yours. Also, insurance. A lot of people say they don't want no insurance. There was years ago when we say, I don't want no insurance because I don't want no people come in life and take the money and certain things we used to preach in ourselves. Me not do that no more. Me not do that. Me know me pitney them. Me know what them we do from what they not do. They no business with me and where me a earn or where me want to do with me money or whatever. And you know have to tell them what you need to do is to make sure say we have a will and we always say years ago my doctor did give me one paper to fill out for write will and whatever. And me tell them, say, I don't want it. And why them I put that for me, and me used to think negative into it. Now I have a different views on it because me never have the knowledge. Now me do. So we as Caribbean people, we look at so much good things to be a negative thing. And we're not gonna be here forever. We don't want to set up with children them to fall. Next thing me have one $3,000 this so, one $4,000 this so, $1,000 this so, 1,500. Cause you spread your wings wide. You pity them don't know about it. All of them, guess what? They don't know about it. And you're gone after this earth, they not get it. And you don't want that. You pity them don't inherit it. You ending up give money to the state we already have it enough and your pitney then not have it. Left it for your grand pitney them, write a will, you know. If you feel like you're putting the work for your children them and they don't really need a little money where you save or you're having a your little knickknacks and you want to set yourself in a way where something should happen to you, you pitney them not have your stress bury you. Put yourself in that position where you know, you have something for yourself and you put them down have a worry about go borrow money to bury you and them something there because honestly that happened with my mom, you know. The pressure was on me. So and then if God forbid my father eyes should have closed tomorrow, the pressure I got upon me. And me have to set place things into place for my parents them. So I'm just saying this that we as big people find ourselves in our we don't have to spend off everything. We don't have to spend. Let me tell you, no mind see me come on here every day in the same t-shirt or the same headband and not do ear and them something there. No one to able to can have a little money when we get older. So the money when me I go use shopping every day online, buy things, buy things, buy things. When we don't need, we can wash my clothes and put them on back. Cause I don't know nobody buy my clothes them. I mean buy them. And me I can wash them and rewear them. Me not show off on nobody, me not hype on nobody. Get up every day and I buy name brand stuff and I put money in a people pocket and me there I want it. Or when me get older me can't find nothing for myself. It better me take that little money there and put it in a one IL savings account and make it stay there and know say the money I grow and me not trouble it. Me not quick figure spend it like one time. One time when you get a little money, in a no time it done. You hurry up and spend it off. I know that me want. Me want to be able to know say me I put one little chop on this so one little $10 this so one little $20 this so you know $100 a month there so, $150 a month there so, and it a grow and you not touch it. You put it in a different places. So just in case this year market ya crash, at least you know say the market they might be up or whatever. You want to be able to invest. Anyways, my darlings, you know me not really like on my video, but it argue conversation nice me. I feel like me and one could have talk about it. And we can talk more about it because we each one teach one and we're supposed to can learn. But if we're not interested to know the stocks and ETF them when we buy, wanna just put you want to know the stocks in the comment section and me share. And if you don't want me help or me can tell you know how want to sign up or whatever, wanna just let me know because me don't want to waste my time. A couple people reach out to me about the travel membership the other day and them now get round. Some of them not get round for call me yet, but if you don't ever see this video, you remember to call me because if you don't want to able to travel, me know things are going right now. We're playing I go down, nobody not think about traveling, but you don't have to be right now. You know what I mean? And you can save up on the points them for when you're really ready for travel. Big up on yourself. I want to share your thoughts in the comment section below. We need to cheer each other on. We need to me not hold nothing back. Where if me feel like say it can help you. If me say you want to do something to help yourself, I am there with you, supporting you. I like that. I like to see when people support one another. I like to see upliftment and motivation. And we should have like a little group where we come together and teamwork make the dream work. If you know something and me not know, you can share it with me. If me know something and you don't know it, me can share it with you. Once we are push up with one another and elevate one another. Anyways, big up on yourself because a lot of people will say, you're too positive. Because people tell me that, you have a people are like tell me I must put mix up over my page because mix up sell and no, me want to speak from my heart over here. It's how me feel and what me feel. So this channel is really about how me feel, expressing myself, share stories, other people's stories. I have some stories here where me want to share this coming week because me screenshot them, you know, message them, want to put in the comment section. Yes, very interested. Some of them me I go screenshot some of them. I'm want to do tap it on them. Screenshot some from last month and they not do it. So me I go just take time out and try to do at least 2 every week in my vlog. So maybe me try upload video every day, but sometimes it's hard. So if you not see me post today, you know see me I post the following day. So but anyways, guys, big up on yourself, love you, more blessing. Thank you so much. You want to support. God bless you. And when I say God bless you, I mean it from my heart. God bless you. And I hope say whatever your heart desire, God will work it out for you. You don't give up. You have faith. Keep strong and pushing yourself. Self-motivation is the key to where you want to be because you really don't want to depend on anybody to motivate you. So it's good when you can motivate yourself and uplift yourself. Just think about it when we just said a while ago. If you can motivate yourself, then you can do anything. So big up on yourself. More blessings and prosperity to all out. Love. Bye-bye.